Okay, so we got this question. The tangent PT and the normal PN to the parabola this. Okay, so suppose that this is your parabola. Okay, we have to take a point P. So I'll take a point P, and then we have to drop tangent, we have to drop normal. Okay, P on it, meet its axis at T and N. So this is the axis of the parabola, y equals to 0. Correct, x axis, no? So it is T, it is N. Then the locus of the centroid of the triangle PTN. So you have to find out who is PTN. Okay, so first I'll take a point P on the parabola. You know that we will imagine it in parametric form. So it is AT square and then 280. Now look at this. I want to find point T. So for that I have to calculate who is tangent. So you know that for tangent, if point P is lying on the curve, we used to go with T equals to 0. So y1 is equal to 4a x plus at square by 2. So 2a, 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 2a gone. So it is yt is equal to x plus at square. So you got your equation of tangent. Now look at this. If we want point T, so point T is on x axis. This means y coordinate will be 0. So this thing will be 0. So it will become what? Minus of at square comma 0. Okay. Now I have to find point N. So who is point N? Point N is the intersection of normal with the axis of the parabola. So first we will find normal. So you know point P. If we can manage to find out slope of this n Pn, we can find out the equation of line Pn. So I'll find slope of Pn. You know that slope of tangent, slope of normal is -1. What is slope of tangent? So you can use this thing, y equals to mx plus c. So the coefficient of x defines the slope of tangent. So it is 1 by t, mn equals -1. So mn is minus t. So you got your slope of normal. So I'll write down equation of normal. So y minus y1 2at x minus x1 at square equals minus t. Now you know that we have to find point N, which is on x axis, means y should be 0. So let's try to calculate that one. So x minus at square is equal to minus t. This thing on, this thing on. So can I say 2a is equal to x minus at square? So can I say that n point is 2a plus at square comma 0? Correct? Now look at this. What do we need? We need, look at this question. Then the locus of centroid of triangle PTN. So we have solved so many questions based on locus. So we used to take a point h comma k centroid. Okay. Now look at this. So you know that how we used to find centroid. Centroid is point of intersection of medians. But we are not interested in finding medians because we have those coordinates. So it is average of x coordinate, average of y coordinate, means h will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3, at square x1 x2 at square minus at square plus 2a plus at square by 3. Now k will be equal to 280 plus 0 plus 0 by 3. Okay, So we got this situation. So can I say that this thing gone? So can I say that 3h is equal to 2a plus 80 square, and we got 3k is equal to 2at. Now you know that we are dealing with locus, means you have to remove the variables that you guys have introduced, correct? So we have to remove what? H, k and t, and you know that h will be removed by x, correct? 2a plus 80 square, k will be removed by y, 2at, and you guys have introduced t as well because a was used by the equation. So these guys are okay with a, but they are not okay with t, so you have to remove t. So can I find value of t from this and substitute in this part? So t is equal to 3y by 2a. So let's substitute there. 3x is equal to 2a plus a, and then 9y square 4a square. So this thing gone. Can I multiply both side by 4a? So 12a x 8a square 9y square, correct? You know that we have, this is y square, so we will have either y square equals to 4ax or y square equals to minus 4ax. So we will follow one of the case. Okay, so I'll write y thing one side, remaining thing other side. So it is 9y square is equal to 12ax minus 8a square. Now you know that coefficient of y should be, coefficient of y and x should be independent from the number. Okay, we can afford to have only one, so I'll take 12a common. Okay, so it is 12a common, so we will be left with x minus 8a square by 12a. Now let's simplify. Can I send this 9 that side? Yes. So you can simplify, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so you can write y square is equal to 4 times a by 3 and then x minus 2a by 3. So this is your equation of parabola. So the locus of centroid is a parabola, correct? Now we will try to answer those questions. So the first question is, these guys are interested in finding vertex. So vertex, you know that, like first we have to write this thing in some standard form. So what I'll do, I'll imagine y equals to capital Y. Okay, I'll change the order. Y is equal to this. I'll imagine x equals to x minus 2a by 3. I'll imagine a is equal to a by 3. So the equation of curve is y square is equal to 4ax. So according to this, we have this as the parabola. Okay, now we have to find vertex. Vertex, you know that it is right side opening parabola, so it is 0 comma 0. So x comma y will be 0 comma 0, but capital X and capital Y is 0. So who is capital X? X minus 2a by 3 is equal to 0. Capital Y, who is capital Y? Small y. Okay, so x equals to 2a by 3, y equals to 0. So the point of vertex is 2a by 3 comma 0. Yes, it is correct. Now these guys are interested in finding directrix. Now look at this. So do you remember that directrix will be at x equals to minus of a, correct or wrong? Who is capital X? X minus 2a by 3 minus a by 3. So x will be equal to a by 3. So this is the directrix equation, but these guys have given x equals to 0, so it is wrong. Now they are interested in finding latus rectum, means they are interested in finding length of latus rectum. Okay, so I'll find out length of latus rectum, LR. If you don't remember, just substitute. It is ax square, we will substitute, correct na? Like it's on focus, so x will be a, correct? So if x is a, so it is 4a square, so it will be 2a or minus 2a, so the answer is 4a, correct? Length of latus rectum will be 4a, but who is a is a by 3, so 4a by 3. So length of latus rectum is 4a by 3, but they have given 2a by 3, so that is wrong, correct? Again wrong. Now these guys are interested in focus. So in reality, you know that focus will be at a comma 0. Who? X and y. So who is x? X is x minus 2a by 3 is equal to a by 3. Capital Y is small y. Okay, so it is okay. So x is equal to 3a by 3, that is a, y equals to 0, means a comma 0. Yes, this option is also correct. Okay, so it is a comma 0. I hope you have understood all the concept with better clarity. Okay, if you have any kind of doubts, please post your doubt in comment section. We will try our level best to assist you guys. Okay, I hope the question is clear now.